Hello, I am back. I know I say that every time, but this time it's really been a long time. I'm back to show you how I do my mermaid hair. I found a new routine that I have loved and that has worked amazing. And so I get a lot of questions on Instagram about it. I wanted to share. I have super wavy, kinky hair, but my front is a little bit straight. It's just not the same curl pattern. So I have found a tool that matches the rest of my curls, and it's so easy and fun and big and sexy and fabulous, and I love it. So if you want to know how to do this, my little tricks, then keep watching. All right, first, booger check. Oh my God, I filmed this the other day, did the whole thing. When I went to edit it, huge booger hanging out of my nose. So first, we're gonna use a little dry shampoo. This is my Nate's the Champ. I love this stuff. So I just focus the dry shampoo on the areas that you will see, right? So my hair is going to be down, so I'll do around my part line. Maybe spread it out just a bit because I do flip my part during the day. And then a little bit in the back. If my hair was straight, I would work it in with my brush, but I don't want to pull out totally all my curls. Voila. Oh, see how long I can last on my knees before I have to stop. So the majority of my hair has a really great, deep, crimpy curl pattern. My top, not so much. So I'm just touching that up. Of course, the outlet wasn't working. You know, why do I even bother? It's fine. So this is also, I washed my hair Friday, so this is 4-day hair. So keep that in mind. So my hair is all over pretty wavy, kinky curls, right? But my front gets a little bit straighter. So I like to touch that up with this bad boy. Or if I've done it and then I had it in a messy bun, so I just want to refresh some of the pieces that are a little bit frizzy and out of sorts, I will do it again. So I just grab random sections. Now, if you do not have wavy hair and you are just trying to create your own wave, you will want to section off your whole head like you would if you were just going to curl your hair or flat iron your hair. You'll have more control if you put it into sections. I have my waver set on 330. So I just hold it for a few seconds and then eyeball it down my hair strand. Now I went through and brushed out a few of the sections that had some rats in them. So that's why it's a little unruly. Okay. And I will break it all up, the pieces that I have waved, at the very end. Make sure, I mean with any heat tools, but especially a waver like this where you're leaving it on the hair for a significant amount of time, that you're using a heat protectant on your hair. Think about if you make cookies and you don't, use parchment paper, or you don't spray the pan or whatever, and then you're scraping those cookies off and that's happening to your hair. There we go. So my top section, I'm actually just going to brush completely through because she is messed up from sleeping. Again, 4th day hair, okay? So, and I prefer not to wave my front little pieces, otherwise they're kind of too pronounced and they stick out. So around my face, I like to start the waver a little bit farther down on my hair strand so that I have a little bit of rootage without a wave. So you can see I'm just leaving a couple of inches there on top. The longer you hold it, the more of a crimp, deeper, more extreme pattern you're going to have. Let's flip this guy up. Touched up any areas that need touched up. What I like to do is just flip my head over, run my fingers through it a little to break up where I've added those waves and try to, kind of blend them in with my natural, like so. Now, since I have worn this style a few days and I have it shampooed, I'm getting a little full, I'm getting a little frizzy, so I'm gonna touch it up with some oil. Now, I love big, kind of messy, unruly, untamed hair. So if that is not for you, you might want to spend a little more time doing each section to get it a little smoother, personal preference. I'm going to take some of the Rejuvenique Oil Light. I love this stuff. Just tiny drop. Work it in my hands. And then carefully apply it to the ends of my hair mainly. Those are where I'm going to have the most kind of frizzy spots. And then a little bit everywhere else. A little bit of this goes a long way. It just adds so much shine and helps repair the hair too. All right, so that's it. It's that easy. That's what I do to get my mermaid hair. Let me know if you have any questions. I will try to help, and thanks for watching.